Hello everybody, your local handyman, your handyman Leatherman. If you look behind me, you can see holes in the ceiling. Customer had to have some copper replaced from busting, so the plumber left all these holes. So this is an idea that you could probably do yourself if you didn't want to deal with sheetrock. So follow us and we'll show you what we're doing. As you can see, they had a lot of their copper cut out and replaced with PEX. So there's holes all over. But instead of putting sheetrock back in, he wanted to leave it open because there still is a possibility something were to happen and he didn't want to cut sheetrock out. So we are going to build a panel, decorative panel, that's going to go over all these that's removable. Let me show you. So we got these pieces to trim. We just ripped them down to a small size. We'll flush them on the outside and we just shoot them down with the brad nail gun. Then I use these little craft pins and we cut all the little nails, poke through. Here's just a few of them. Mr. Ed's painting one now. Is that the right color?
Brown.
Yep, that's right. Just messing with you, I gotta keep you on your toes. So these right here are all cut and ready. We ran this little trim piece around them, and then we're gonna screw them up to the ceiling and you'll see what it's gonna look like here in a little bit. Got a big one there. This one's getting ready to be painted. These are all painted, ready to install.
Yeah. Where am I going?
There.
Come on. I can hit that corner up there. There we go. There. Gotta let our outside end down. Well, yours what? Yours good up there?
Yeah. Are you good?
I think so.
Double that. Oh.
There we go.
Is that it?
I see. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Now, it's small piece. Well, it's still a little wet, but that looks really nice. Kind of just use beadboard, and anywhere there's a hole, it looks like a decorative cover. If anything ever happens, he ever has a water leak down here in this basement, he just unscrews the panel and the plumber could fix it. Another one in here. Turned out really nice. And here's the last room. Another option you guys could do. Well, it wasn't extremely hard. We used beadboard. You could simply just cut it the sizes you need, screw it to the ceiling, and that would have been just fine too. But we put a little trim around it just to give it a little something extra. So it actually looks like you did it on purpose, like you're trying to do an accent or something like that. So really cool idea. But just another option for you guys if you don't want to mess with drywall, but you're not intimidated in messing with wood. You could simply do something like this. Probably, I don't know if you'd want to do it in your actual house, but just giving you guys some more options. So there we go. That's our video today. You guys take care. Stay out of trouble, have fun, and create your own projects. And never be scared to try something new. Until we see you guys each other again, you guys take care. Remember, subscribe, and that way you don't miss any of these little helpful hints that could help somebody out. You guys take care.